Hello there, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a cookie clicker game. Now this is part 1 and I'll be making part 2 soon, so yeah, if part 2 comes out I'll link it in the description. So yeah, let's start making the cookie clicker game. First, just get rid of the scratch card paint because Scratch doesn't have Scratch never didn't draw a cookie before, so yeah, we have to draw our own cookie. Let's make it like, and let's not remove the outline. Oh, not this. And let's just deform the circle a bit. Let's make a bit bigger, and let's make like, yeah, like this, and we can just copy this and paste it randomly. So yeah, we got a cookie. Let's just name the sprite call, let's just name it to cookie, and let me name this cookie. Okay, so we want to make a variable called cookies, and this variable will show us how many cookies have we clicked. Let's just bring this to 0 0. Actually, let's make the cookie larger. Okay, this is too large. And we will be setting cookies to 0, and I'll make a new variable called cookie click rate. Now this will come in the next video, the cookie click rate. Set this to 1. I'll explain what it does in the next video, part 2. So then we want to detect if our mouse is touching the cookie and our mouse is down. So what we are going to do is put an if then statement, put an and statement, because we want to check for two things: if touching mouse pointer, meaning the mouse, and mouse down. And then we want to change cookies by the cookie click rate. So let's try. Oh no, we have to also add a wait until, not mouse down. Duplicate this. Oops. So what I have done here is, since Scratch is seeing that the mouse is down, it's going to do it instantly. A continuous loop under number of cookies produced will just go explode. So we want it to wait for until the mouse is not down, then we can click again, else then no. So let's try it again. Yes. Also, let's add a backdrop just to make it feel nice. Because it's a just blank. Like, who would want this kind of backdrop? And we can add like this. This bottom section will come in the next video, and we can make a lighter version. So the backdrop looks better now. Nice color. So yeah. Okay, so we want to make, so just now, like when you just click the cookie, it just really looks so lame. Like there is no animation when you click it. So let's add an animation by broadcast, not message one. You can do that, but let's just make a new message and call it click. And we'll put this here. Now we want to define the message. When I receive click, wait, okay, sorry, okay, so we want to set its size to 98. Wait, 0.01 seconds, size to 96, set size to 94. Okay, I'll explain you what I'm doing so that when you click it, it shrinks and goes back to its original size. Now you might be confused, but just wait and watch, and you'll see the effect. Continue repeating this until you reach 100. So let's see, oops, so let's try clicking it again. So as you can see, the cookie actually has its own animation, like when you click it. Okay, so also I want to add something to the back, because really nothing is going on here. So we want to broadcast, we want to go to control and create clone of myself. And go down here when I start as a clone. So like I want in the background cookies dropping to the ground. Like when you click it, a cookie that is half invisible will just drop to the ground, not at a constant speed, but at the speed that for each time it falls quicker the next second. So we want to make a new variable called y velocity and click for this sprite only. Must click this. Set y velocity to 0 and we will put repeat until and okay, so I know you can do under negative 179, but when I tried that out it wasn't disappearing, so I came up with a new method to detect, which is touching edge and touching color. So we'll select this touching color, whatever this color is, some fadeish bluish whatever, and basically when it's right at the very edge it'll just disappear. Also let's just name this cookie clicker, and we will name the second one, falling cookies. Yeah, really I have no other thing to call this, falling cookies, and make it smaller. We're not using the size because it starts glitching out. Make it a bit bigger. So yeah, now we want to go back just to set costume to cookie clicker. Clean up blocks so it can be less ugly, and set to switch costume to falling cookies and set ghost effect to, let's say, 55. So repeat until edge, touching edge and touching color, whatever this. So we want to put change y by y velocity, change y velocity by -1. Until all of this happens, delete this clone. So let's see it. Ah, I see. It just keeps dropping. We want it to drop from the top. So what we want to do is go to X, set Y to 180, and set X to pick random 240, negative 240 to 240. So as you can see, as we click the cookies, it is falling. So yeah guys, that is part 1 today. If you enjoy these videos, like and subscribe, and I'll be uploading part 2 soon. So yeah guys, bye.